So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to play Monopoly Go like a pro. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So I'll give you 5 tips and tricks for you to be a pro here in your Monopoly Go. So basically all you have to do here is number 1 is go into your store, then swiping to the very right and you will see a free gift is ready for you always every 8 hours. So you'll get free a gift in 8 hours every time you do it. So you'll be able to get some cards and you'll be able to get some dices too. Next is competing here in tournaments. So competing in tournaments means you'll have a larger chance of winning big rewards, such as this one, where you will get 7,000 and a minimum 1 gold 6 card pack right there. So next is here in your landmarks, you will see that you have to always replenish your shields, since the higher level is, the more you're frequent to attacks basically. So basically those are just some tips and tricks, and collect some dice as usual. And remember also guys, there are free dices here which are very easy to get. There are free ones before you get the purchase version ones. As you can see, I already gotten them. So there you go guys, that's basically how you do 5 things like Monopoly Go like a pro. So if you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.